Good morning. Today I'm gonna review the chapter Appointment in Samara, wrote by William Somerset Maugham. William Somerset Maugham was born on January 25th, 1874, in Paris, France. William Somerset Maugham Sitch was an English playwright, novelist, and short story writer. He was among the most popular writers of his era and repeatedly the highest paid author during the 1930s. Both Maugham parents died before he was 10, and the orphaned boy was raised by a parental uncle who was emotionally cold. And he was brought up by an uncle and educated at King's School, Canterbury. After a year at Heidelberg, he entered St. Thomas Medical School, London, and qualified as a doctor in 1897. He drew upon his experience as an obstetrician in his first novel, Liza of Lambeth, which was in 1827. His notable works are The Razor's Edge, Cakes and Alley, The Moon and Sixpences, Of Human Bondage, Liza of Lambeth, and he died on December 6th in 1965 at the age of 91, France. About the story, The Appointment in Samara. In whatever way we might decide to tell the story, Death would have to be a character in it, but Maugham has decided to have Death be the narrator of the story as well. And Death here is not an omniscient narrator, a narrator that knows everything can certainly arrange to spring surprises on the reader, but such a narrator is incapable of being surprised himself or herself. At what moment does the reader realize that Death is not an omniscient character? And the Samara. The Samara is a city, stands on the east bank of Tigris, earlier called Suramandra, a delight for all who see. Analysis of the story. The merchant sent his servant to market. The servant was judged by a woman. The woman was the Death. Servant runs to his master and asks for a horse to escape to Samara, but the Death will not find him. Servant escapes to Samara. The merchant goes to market to meet the Death. He asks to Death, "Why did you make a threatening gesture to my servant?" Death speaks, "That was not a threatening gesture. I was astonished to see him here in Baghdad because I have an appointment with him tonight in Samara." The theme of the story is you can't escape from death. Death is talking and explaining to the merchant that she wasn't threatening the servant. The servant left thinking he could run away from death. In the end, Death told the merchant she had an appointment with the servant in Samara, but the servant fled to just he could escape. Even though the servant thought he escaped, he just ended up going along with what fate had for him and couldn't change his fate. Destiny. When the merchant asked Death, "Why did you make a threatening gesture towards the servant?" Death herself said, "That was not a threatening gesture, for I have an appointment with him tonight in Samara." Thank you.